I'm Kiki from Sungold Solar.
Hello, I'm Candy from Sungold Solar.
Now let's introduce our folding solar panels, rigid folding solar panels with aluminum frame and covered by glass, with plastic corner all around the solar panels. Firstly, let's show you our backside details. Yeah, with supporting legs, brackets, aluminum brackets. On the bracket, you can see the plastic corner. Yeah, okay. Let's put it on ground. It is a very stable bracket. Yeah, you can see very stable aluminum bracket. These solar panels mainly for batteries, different batteries. So firstly, let's show you this battery, sealed lead acid battery. Sealed lead acid battery. There is alligator clips. So connect it to the battery. You will see there is a controller in the solar panels. With our 100 watts, we put a 10 ampere controller. And in this solar panel, we put a 5-meter cable. And here is a small Anderson. So you can use different battery with different connectors, like ring terminals. So let's show you the ring terminals for the cable. Yeah, ring terminals. So just connect it to the solar panel, and then these ring terminals on your different battery. Yeah, and also other connectors. Yeah, like DC. Yeah, so this connector is for you do the extension cable for different battery. Yes, here is DC. And also we can do cigarette connectors. Yeah, so DC for different battery. Yeah. Yes. So here is a connector for your different connectors, like cigarette plugs and battery terminals and ring terminals and the cigarette, and also SAE connectors. Whatever connector will be used for your battery, you can use these solar panels with controller. And also, what weight of this folding solar panel?
Yeah, the weight of this solar panel is about 10.5 kilogram.
10.5 kilogram.
Yes.
Yeah, with this rigid folding solar panel. So now let's close it. Yeah. So here you can see the details. The bracket and the cable. Yeah, let's put the battery clips in. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Our standard one with 5-meter cable and also these battery clips. Yeah. With our battery clips, put it in backside of solar panel and then close it. So this one with 1.5 kilogram, and also we are doing a lightweight folding solar panel. We call it LVP, lightweight folding solar panel. So let's show you the LVP folding solar panel. Also our LVP for different batteries, like sealed lead acid battery and a portable generator. Here show you. It put in a carry bag. Yeah. Open it. So this one is much lightweight. What weight is it for this one?
The weight of this one is about 5.5 kilogram.
Yeah, just about half
Yes.
weight.
Half the weight of the rigid one.
body solar panel.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see also aluminum frame. The thickness is also about half. And this one without latch, but a magnet on the handle. Yeah, with a magnet on the handle. Yeah. So let's show you the back set of this folding solar panel. This one also comes with a supporting leg, slim supporting leg. So firstly, open it and then put it on the ground. Yeah. And here you can fix it into the ground. So make the solar panel more stable. So fix the bracket into the ground. So make it more stable. And then we show you how we use our lightweight folding solar panel. Here you can see there is an Anderson plug. So we just need to make an extension cable on this Anderson plug. For the sealed lead acid battery, we will use a controller with cable. Yes, let's show it. Yes. So if with this battery, we must need a controller. Yeah. This 100-watt solar panel, we use 10 amperes controller. So let's show it. So here is also an Anderson plug to connect it to solar panel. Yeah, connect it to solar panel. And also here is also alligator clips to connect it to battery. Yeah. Yes. And also a fuse here. Controller, you can see there is a load. Yeah, the light is green, means the connection is correct. And also the PV light means there is a light towards to the solar panel. If there is no light, then the light will not flash, right? Yes, if there is light, you can see the controller light will get green. So you can see. And with this battery, we need the controller. And we also use our solar panel for portable power generator, like this one. This portable power generator comes with a controller and an inverter in. So there is no need controller. So we will change this extension cable to the cable without controller. Yeah. So we use this cable without controller. Firstly, connect it to the solar panel. And then with DC, because this portable generator is a DC input. Yeah, DC input. So we use DC connector. If your portable generator is a different input connector, then we will use different connector. Yeah. So like this way, you can see, connect it to the portable generator. Yeah. So this is lightweight, only 5.5, right?
Yes, 5.5.
Yeah, 5.5. It's very easy for carry to the outdoor. Yes. Okay, so different details and more details, please watch our video. Thank you.
Thank you.
可以了。